Angie with Itty Bitty Crafts, and I'm coming today to make a kind of a different kind of video. This is more of an announcement video than a project share. So we're going to be doing that while we have a little chit chat. I'm going to have my little cup of joe here with me. I made this the other day on a whim. I thought it was totally funny, and I thought I would include it today because there's something that has to do with this little tiny cup. So I just want to start off by saying thank you to all my subs and all the people here who support me and comment and give me the encouragement to be who I am today. I am just to tell you a little bit about myself, which most of you do know, I'm a little house builder, a scene builder, or a builder of miniature things. And I am also an artist of, other things that I love to dabble in. You know, you've seen my work in painting and watercoloring and figurines and paper mache, and then I got into this thing called lace and shabby chic and tattered, and I have totally adored that type of craft, and I give it to you ladies who are so amazing at that craft. It's truly an art. But when I came into building little houses, I never thought that I'd ever take it here to YouTube. I've been building little tiny houses for a few years now, about 3 years. And I brought it here to YouTube 2 years ago, and I've accomplished a few goals along the way. I'm celebrating, 2 years of YouTube this month, or actually in October, but 2 years this month of being an accomplished artist in an art gallery with my little homes and commission work. And some of that commission work includes you. You know who you are, and I just want to thank you personally. You keep me going and keep me loving what I do, and some of the comments truly are heartfelt that you leave, and I couldn't feel more humbled and more blessed. And during this journey, I truly try to stay humbled and blessed and never forget where I came from as an artist. I am a little limp ball in the YouTube world, but it's something. We all start from somewhere. And I felt that it was time to give back. So my announcement is my 2-year celebration subby challenge giveaway. Yay! I wish I had some confetti to throw around. I just have my mini cup. So that's so what my challenge is. It's a mini challenge. So hence the little tiny cup here I have sitting here with us today. Okay, so you have to be 18 years or older. You must be a sub to my channel and a sub to Instagram, and I'll leave that information below. You have 2 months after this video goes up, the date of this video, to complete your project. It's open to US and international. And let's see here. So the challenge is I want you to make something miniature. Anything goes. And I want you to have fun with this. You know, I don't want this to be a challenge that is totally stressful for you. I want it to be fun, and I want you to think outside the box. You can do whatever that you love to do. Like I said, anything goes. I'm not picky, because art is art to me, and I love all forms of art. It can be embellishments, clay figures, lace, something shabby, miniature doily, something doily. Well, I mean, anything that you want to do. I mean, you don't have to go crazy with it. Just do what you feel comfortable with. I want you to have fun with this, because like I've said in several of my videos, if you're comfortable with something, you're not challenging yourself. So I want you to have fun with this challenge. I don't want you to be stressed out. So like I said, anything goes. I love holidays. I love every holiday. One of my favorite holidays is Halloween, which is, coming up. I love vintage Halloween because I love the creativity with it. I love Christmas. I love most colors except for bright, like fluorescent colors. But again, like I said, if it's your thing, I'm cool with that. Because it's your art, and I think it would be fun to display all these little challenges in my studio crafty space here, because I think it's important to have cool little pieces from other artists, because you truly are gifted artists out there. And anyways, like I said, it could be vintage, you know, anything you want to do, except for like gore, you know. Don't send me like a bloody arm or something. But you know, you could get like a miniature coffin with like a little skeleton in it and decorate it up, and how cool would that be, right? Um, Trinkets or charms, or like I said, anything that you want to do. Seriously, keep it fun, keep it real, keep it simple. Um, but like I said, think outside the box, or you know, or just anything. Like I said, like what you do, what you love to do, just miniaturize it. And it doesn't have to be like this, guys. I'm not saying like, you know, micro mini or anything like this. It can be, you know, like if you did a doily wall hanging, you know, just maybe size it down to this, you know, or, you know, anything that you're comfortable with. Okay, so enough about that. Let's see. So the prize. Okay, so lo and behold, you know, what's funny is I don't even own one of my own houses, right? But I have held on to one. And I thought, this little house needs to be in this challenge. And so that is going to be the prize, is one of my little houses. So here it is, you guys. Here is going to be the main prize. And I will give out prizes accordingly to how many entries I get. I want to make it fair, and I want it, you know, I want everybody to have a decent chance. So this is what I'm going to give away as my challenge, my 2-year celebration challenge. It's a little tiny house on a vintage baby shoe. And I know all of you guys have seen this before and have been admiring it as much as I have. So I've kind of like held on to this guy for a special occasion, and I think this is the special occasion. This will be the main, you know, this will be the prize, and then I will include some goodies to go along with it. Like I said, for how many entries I get, I will, you know, give prizes out accordingly. And so yeah, so there's going to be the main prize. And so, you know, I will leave my email down below, so please email and contact me if you're going to join, or please comment below so I can get your name on a list. And that way I'll, you know, I'll put you on the list, and then if I get something in the mail from you, your challenge, I'll make sure I check that off. So please leave a comment or email me and let me know that you're interested in joining my challenge. I think it'll be a lot of fun, and like I said, you have 2 months to complete it, and it's open to U.S. International, because I feel that every sub is important. You know, everybody takes the time to come comment, and I need to, you know, take the time to, you know, get there. You know, I may not get there really quick to comment back, but I do need to, you know, I do try to get back there in a timely manner to comment back, because you took the time to leave a comment. I need to take the time to appreciate that comment, because it truly does mean the world to me. Some of your comments are just so inspiring, and it gives me that extra boost of why I love to do what I do, and why I appreciate every sale or every commission work or every gift that I give out, why I do what I do. And so this is kind of appreciation challenge giveaway, you know. So anyways, enough blabbering. I'm just super excited. I could talk for days, as you all know. I get put in timeout and chat because I'm like chat. But I'm just super excited. It's my first challenge, and I just want to let you know how much I appreciate everything that you guys have done for me in the last couple of years. It's truly a blessing. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful week, and I hope that you'll enter my challenge, and I'm totally going to make this as fun as possible. But anyways, I hope everybody's having a lovely day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.